Welcome to our comprehensive guide on administering your weekly Mounjaro injection. Start by unboxing the Mounjaro pen. The pen will arrive in secure, temperature-controlled packaging to ensure the medication remains within the required temperatures. Inside, you'll find all the necessary items for your Mounjaro injections. This will include the Mounjaro KwikPen, which is pre-filled with 4 doses and is designed to last for 4 weeks. You'll also find a patient information leaflet which will detail how to administer Mounjaro. Your order will include complimentary single-use needles. If you have chosen to order a medical-grade sharp spin as part of your order, this will also be included. After you ensure that the product received is the expected medication and the right strength for you, refrigerate your Mounjaro KwikPen at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius before the first use to ensure that you're complying with the manufacturer's storage instructions. This will ensure that you're maximising the shelf life of the product if it's not going to be used immediately. After using the first dose from a pen, Mounjaro can be kept unrefrigerated for up to 30 days at a temperature of under 30 degrees Celsius. So only remove it from the fridge when you're ready to start using your pen. Now, let's discuss the optimal timing for your Mounjaro dose. Administer your Mounjaro once a week on the same day each week. You can choose any time of day that works for you. But consistency is key. Choose a specific time and set a reminder to help you stay on track. To prepare for your injection, start by checking that the liquid in the pen is clear. It should be free from any particles and not frozen or cloudy. Also ensure that your KwikPen is not expired or damaged. Proper hygiene is crucial, so wash your hands thoroughly with soap and hot water or use an antibacterial hand sanitizer before use. Next, choose your injection site. If you're administering Mounjaro yourself, suitable sites can include the front of the thigh, below your belly button. Alternatively, you can ask someone that you trust to inject into the back of your upper arm. It's good practice to change the injection site each week. Remove the pen's cap. Select a new needle and remove the paper tab from the outer needle shield. Attach the needle securely to the pen by placing it on straight, then twisting it clockwise until it stops turning. Ensure that while attaching the needle remains straight. It should not be put at an angle. This is to ensure that the needle does not bend or move out of alignment. It's crucial that the inner needle pierces through the red seal correctly. Any slight misalignment or movement here can prevent the needle from attaching properly, which will result in the pen not working and a dose potentially being wasted. Once the needle is securely attached, you can then remove the outer needle shield and keep it for a later use. There is then an inner needle shield which also must be removed prior to injection. Once removed, this inner needle shield can be disposed of. Now, let's prime the pen. On the pen, turn the dose knob until you hear 2 clicks and see the extended line in the dose window. Hold the pen with the needle pointing up, tap the cartridge holder to remove any air bubbles. Push the dose knob until it reaches the 0 icon, then hold for 5 seconds. If a small amount of liquid has ejected from the needle, the pen has successfully been primed. If no liquid comes out, please check that the needle has been attached properly and has pierced the bulb of the pen. Use a new needle if the inner needle looks damaged in any way. Repeat these steps if necessary. If after the 3rd attempt you are still unsuccessful, please contact us for support. If you have successfully primed the pen, it's now time to administer your dose. Turn the dose knob until it stops at the 1 icon in the dose window. Insert the needle into your chosen injection site at a 90-degree angle, making sure that the needle pierces the skin. Then push the dose knob all the way in until it stops and hold for 5 seconds. Then check for the 0 icon before removing the needle. If the icon is not at 0, you can insert the needle at a new site and continue administering without resetting the dose to 1. After the injection, if you notice a pinprick of blood, lightly press the site with a cotton bud without rubbing. Replace the outer needle shield, unscrew the needle and dispose of it. Finally, replace the pen cap and store it safely. To achieve the best results, administer your Mounjaro dose around the same time each week. If you find any liquid that's left in the pen after you have administered the 4th dose, do not attempt to use it. This extra liquid is not a dose and there is no safe way to inject this from the pen. Additionally, to ensure you don't run out, place an order for your next pen during the 3rd week of your current cycle. And that's it. You've successfully administered your Mounjaro dose. Congratulations. For further assistance or guidance, you can check out our other videos or you can contact our team at Simple Online Pharmacy. We're here to support you on your journey to make weight loss simple.